Right then, it's the one and only Hibs Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. What we're going to cover this week is a Presidente. Something which I thought was quite appropriate. Here is what the recipe will look like. Base for this is a Havana 3-year rum, 3/4 of a shot of the Noilly Prat, which is the white vermouth, which is French, 3/4 of a shot of triple sec, which is, we're going to use Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur, an 1/8 of a shot, so really just a small amount of the grenadine syrup, and then we're going to shake that with crushed ice, and then half a shot of cold chilled water, 1.5 shots of the rum, small amount of the grenadine. Just going to really just give this a small touch. 3/4 of a shot of the Cointreau, 3/4 of a shot of the Noilly Prat, half a shot of the chilled water to a mix. So we have the ingredients. Give this a shake. Garnish. A little bit of the orange zest. Curl this round. And then here we have the Presidente. We're just going to now pour this out. Wow. So here we have the Presidente cocktail. It's a real Cuban classic with a little bit of dash of a grenadine, but also with the Cointreau. Absolutely superb. Really apt for these times, hoping you can bring a good present into power, whoever you choose. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please look out for the recipes we're looking, and really hope you subscribe.